In this video, we will see how to configure Oracle Real Application Clusters in a BMC Patrol environment. Now let's go to the BMC Patrol console. This is the Oracle RAC database member instance host where we have installed the Patrol agent and the Oracle KEM for monitoring the Oracle RAC database member nodes. Oracle_rac.kml is a component of the Oracle KEM installation. And to be able to load the Oracle_rac.kml on the Patrol console, you would need to preload the knowledge module using the pconfig variable agent setup preloaded KEMs. Here you can see that one of the RAC member node instances is already configured using the oracle.kml, as this is the prerequisite to be able to configure Oracle_rac. Now we will use the menu command Oracle_rac knowledge module commands rac db configure to be able to configure Oracle_rac.kml. In this screen, we would need to provide the RAC database name, the RAC database home, and the user credentials to be able to connect to all the member nodes of the RAC database. I have provided all the details. Now let's click on Apply. In the messages, we can see that the RAC database information is accepted. Please click Exit to continue. Now we will click on Exit. In this screen, we would need to provide the TNS string to be able to connect to the member node instance RAC5db1. This step will be repeated for all the member node instances part of this RAC database. I will enter the TNS string for the first member node instance. If the TNS string entry is not there in the TNS names.ora file, then you can use the entire string instead, like this. I'll click on Apply. Okay, in the messages, we can see that the RAC instance RAC5db1 information is accepted. Now we'll click on Exit to continue. Here, I would need to provide the TNS service string for the second member node instance. And I will click on Apply. Okay, in the messages, we can see that the RAC instance RAC5db2 information is also accepted, and the RAC DB, which is RAC5db, the configuration is completed successfully. Now click on Exit. Okay, you can see the RAC5db icon has been created under Oracle_rac, and the monitoring has started for the member node instances, and the services are also getting monitored for the RAC database, and the member status, number of OK members, number of not OK members parameters also have started collecting data. So in this video, we saw how to configure Oracle Real Application Clusters in a BMC Patrol environment. Thank you for watching.